Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering what I'm doing. I get that question a lot, but in the winter I'm fishing. I live in the Netherlands and it's not the weather to ride a bike, so that's why I go fishing. I might catch one and I'll film it. Guys, my fishing trip went not as planned. A fellow fisherman just walked up to us and told me, well, your car's on fire. And now my gas tank is spitting fire. So this was my fishing trip. Well, goodbye little car. Well, I don't know how this will be going, but I think before I can buy a new bike I have to buy a new car. I don't know when I'll update again, but damn. As you can see, my car is totally gone. Firemen are on their way. This is supposed to be a fun day. So the firefighters are gone now, and as you can see, there's nothing left of my car. Literally nothing. My engine is gone. Everything is gone. My little subwoofer is gone. Everything is gone. This was supposed to be a nice, relaxing fishing day, but things went wrong. Well, I hope you did not enjoy this video, and I'll keep you updated about what's going on and what my next vehicle is gonna be. It might be a bike. Bye.